celebrating World Sparrow Day. A call to preserve nature's treasures. World Sparrow Day, observed on March 20th every year, serves as a poignant reminder of the declining population of sparrows worldwide. The theme for World Sparrow Day in 2024 is Sparrows, Give Them a Tweet Chance. I love sparrows and we love sparrows. In urban and rural landscapes alike, these charming little birds have become increasingly rare due to habitat loss, pollution, and changes in human behavior. World Sparrow Day offers us an opportunity to reflect on the importance of conservation efforts and renew our commitment to protecting these beloved creatures and their habitats. A rapid decline in population, factors such as urbanization, pollution, lack of nesting sites, and the widespread use of pesticides have contributed to their dwindling numbers. Despite their small size, they help control insect populations, pollinate flowers, and serve as indicators of environmental health. The loss of sparrows could have far-reaching consequences for ecosystems worldwide. Across different societies, these birds are often associated with traits such as resilience, simplicity, and community spirit. Sparrows hold a special place in human culture and folklore. Their disappearance represents not only an ecological loss but also a cultural one. Various organizations and individuals around the world are actively engaged in conservation efforts to protect sparrows and their habitats. These initiatives include creating nesting sites, promoting green spaces in urban areas, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity conservation. While large-scale conservation efforts are essential, individuals can also make a significant impact in preserving sparrow populations. Simple actions such as providing food and water sources, avoiding the use of chemical pesticides, and creating bird-friendly environments in our own backyards can help support sparrow populations. Educating the public about the importance of sparrows and other wildlife is crucial for fostering a culture of conservation. Through educational programs, workshops, and outreach initiatives, we can inspire people of all ages to take action to protect our feathered friends. By working together with local communities, governments, and organizations, we can implement effective conservation strategies and create lasting change. Adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives, such as reducing plastic use, conserving water and energy, and supporting environmentally friendly policies, can contribute to the preservation of sparrows and other wildlife habitats. Despite the challenges, there have been notable success stories in sparrow conservation efforts. By highlighting these success stories, we can inspire hope and encourage others to join the cause. Let us recommit ourselves to protecting these beloved birds and preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. Together, we can ensure a brighter future for sparrows and generations to come. World Sparrow Day serves as a powerful reminder of our collective responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world. By taking proactive steps to conserve sparrows and their habitats, We not only safeguard the future of these iconic birds but also uphold our commitment to environmental stewardship. Let us celebrate World Sparrow Day not just as a day of awareness, but as a call to action, inspiring positive change and creating a world where sparrows and all living beings can thrive.
Thank you for joining us on Ahem Quotes today. Remember, inspiration is not a destination, it's a journey we embark on together. If you enjoyed today's Ahem moment, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. Let's continue uplifting each other one ahem at a time. Until next time, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay ahemazing.